There's a interesting little thought on this. It's still the 21st of February. One of the comments, someone had asked me if I had considered selling non-taxed roll your own cigarettes, and the short answer is hell no. I don't want to wind up in a federal penitentiary somewhere over crappy money involved in rolling your own cigarettes. If a person had that thought, I would set it up where the customer provided the tobacco, whatever blend they want, and then the operator doing the actual rolling. I think a reasonable amount is about 22 cents a cigarette. That's for the paper, the tube, and the time involved to roll the cigarette, and then packing them in something as simple as a Ziploc bag or a customer supplied container. If I was going to do this and risk going to the federal penitentiary, which I won't, especially for that money, if I'm going to risk going to the federal penitentiary, it's going to be for millions, not pennies. But anyway, I'll bet someone in your local area is doing exactly what I suggested. And if they're hitting you up for 22 cents packed cigarette in a Ziploc bag, and it's going to be in carton quantity, not pack quantity. There's 200 cigarettes in a carton. That would make it worth the man's time if he didn't mind going to the federal penitentiary. And again, if I'm going to the federal pen, they're going to be tagging me for millions, not pennies. But that's just me. So I see a lot of guys on the YouTube saying they've rolled 25, 50,000 cigarettes. I don't care how heavy a smoker you are, you're not going to smoke 50,000 cigarettes in a year's time. That's a lot of smoking. So I think they're doing it as a little side endeavor, just to guess. Now, is alcohol, tobacco, and firearms going to come knocking on your door? Who knows? But I ain't going to take the risk, period. But that's what I think is going on. Interesting little thought. You can upgrade to a semi-automatic machine that is a little bit higher in volume. And you can also get a small, fully automatic machine. You fill up a bin with your tobacco. You fill up another bin with your tubes. Push start and do some fine tuning. And that thing will kick out, I think the production rate was 3 cigarettes a minute. It's pretty damn fast. Not a whole lot of money, relatively speaking. You can pay for that machine in 6 months. But I ain't going there. What I'm doing is for my use only, period. Ain't gonna be no shenanigans on my part. Try and beat the ATF by selling non-tax cigarettes. That ain't gonna happen. But there's folks that could be doing it, especially the ones rolling 25, 50,000 a year pieces. That's a lot of smokes. But anyway, that's just my thoughts on that. Thank you.